Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will discuss how to check internet connection in Flutter using Cubit. Let me show you the output first. As you can see, the internet connection is on. That's why this connected is displayed in green color. Now, if I turn off the internet connection, then you can see it is displaying not connected in red color. If I turn on the internet connection once again, then you will see that this is displaying the message connected. How to achieve this, that portion I will discuss today. Here I have created this project internet connectivity Cubit, and after that in the pubspec.yaml I have taken the latest dependency of Flutter Bloc and connectivity plus. This connectivity plus will be used to check the internet connection. Now inside the lib folder, I will right click here, click on block new Cubit. Let me give the Cubit name as internet. So what it will do, it will create a folder Cubit and it will create two files, internet Cubit and internet state. Let me move to internet state. Now here what I will do, I will create a enum, and let me give the enum name as connectivity status, and here I will declare two values. One is connected and another one is disconnected. Now I will create a class. Let me give the class name as internet status, and here I will declare a variable final, and the variable will be of type connectivity status. Let me give the variable name as a status. Now I will create the constructor of the class, that is internet status, and here I will pass this dot status, and let me make this constructor as const. So our internet status class has been created. Now let me move to internet Cubit. To the internet Cubit, I will remove this, and let me click here and import the Flutter Bloc package. Now instead of internet state, it will be internet status, and here instead of passing this, I will pass, let it be const internet status, and here I will pass the initial value as connectivity status dot disconnected. Fine. Now here I will create a function, that is void. Let me give the function name as check connectivity, and here I will declare a variable where, let me give the variable name as, let it be connectivity result equals to await, and since I am using await, here I need to use async as well, async. Now await, then I will use the connectivity class which is provided by the connectivity plus package, and to this I will call the function that is check connectivity. So this variable will contain the current internet or connectivity result, whether it is connected or it is not connected. Now here I will call a function update. Obviously this will be a user defined function that will be created by me. So here I am writing update, then connectivity status, and to this function I will pass this connectivity result. Now here I need to create this function also. So void, and let me copy this function name, paste it here, and it will take the parameter type as connectivity result. So let me pass this connectivity result, and let me give the variable name as result. Now what this function will do, inside this function I will check if result is equals to connectivity result dot none. This means there is no internet connection. Then I will emit a state, emit const internet status, and here I will pass the state as connectivity status dot disconnected. Else means if the internet connection is found, then I will copy this, paste it here, and instead of disconnected I will pass connected. Okay. Now here I will continuously listen for the internet connection. To do that, here I will declare a variable of type stream subscription, and it will be of type connectivity result. Let me make it nullable, and let me give its variable name as subscription. Now here I will create one more function, void track connectivity change. Track connectivity change, and inside this function here I will use subscription equals to connectivity dot, here we have a method on connectivity change, and here I will use listen, and let me change it to result. Now here again I will call the function update connectivity status, and to that function I will pass this result. Let me make this as let. Okay. Now I will move to main dot dart. In the main dot dart here, in the my app widget, I will wrap this my home page with block provider. So I will click here and I will wrap this with block provider. Now this block provider will be of type what? It will be of type internet qubit, and here in the create I need to use internet qubit, and in the child this, now I need to remove this const and I need to import this block provider by using the Flutter Bloc package, and I will use the const here. Fine. Inside this my home page state, here I will override the init state method, and here I will override the dispose method as well. Now here I will declare let internet qubit. Now to this init method I will write internet qubit equals to context dot read. Here I need to specify the type, and this type will be internet qubit, and with the help of this internet qubit now I can call the check connectivity function, as well as I can call the track connectivity change function, and inside this dispose here I can write internet qubit dot dispose, and this dispose method I need to create where? In internet qubit. So here I will create a function void dispose. What this function will do? This function will just cancel the subscription, and that function I am calling from this dispose method. Fine. After that, here in the body you can see that I have taken a text widget, and here it is displaying connected. Now what I will do is that I will wrap this text widget with block builder. So I will click here and I will wrap this with block builder. Now here I need to specify the name of the qubit, which is nothing but the internet qubit, and here I need to specify the state as well, and the state is internet status. Now I need to remove this const from here. Now inside this builder, here I need to check that if the state dot status, if it is equals to connectivity status dot connected, if it is connected, then this text widget will be displayed with this text style and color. Else I will simply copy this and I will paste it here, and instead of connected, here I will write not connected, and I will change the color from green to red. And I will make this text as const, and I will make this text also as const. That's it. Now let me save this. Let me do a hot restart and let me show you the output once again. As you can see, since the internet connection is on, that's why it is displaying connected. But if I turn off the internet connection, then it is displaying not connected. Now if I again turn on the internet connection, then it is displaying connected. This means it is listening for the internet change. This is how we can check the internet connection in Flutter using Cubit. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.